You said database administrator is the contact
of database analyst.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, this chapter will actually work with SQL database, work with external data, and SQL objects. Every database in SQL is an object. Also, we're going to write queries. Slow down. We write query. Is that okay? And when we are talking about SQL database, we're going to be creating some series of tables, records. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
That record is what we're going to be used. We're going to be able to see that's our queries. You target people that are new to SQL, looking to fill up the gap in their career. Knowledge required to all people working in database environment. Now we also have SMX. The SMX, yes. Extended backup language.
Okay, XML, yes.
XML. Extensible markup language. Now we use XML in form of web, relate with web. Developer use that. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we create an alter SQL object, a database object. Every content of database is an object. Slow down. Now here we have what we call syntax. Meaning there's an order in which we write commands. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
And what we want to do with the command and what we want how to execute it is what we call syntax.
Okay.
Now, common tags of a DBA. What a database administrator, what do you do? As a content on a daily basis, in manage database and log. Whatever come into your organization on daily basis, how many customers is newly generated? How much money do we make from the customer that come in? Do we have increase in the number of customers? Is the record on that particular database? Is it streamlined? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
I want to make changes to the record. Does it correspond to whatever is there as a backup? That's what database person do on daily basis. Now that's introduction to database, it troubleshoot it solve problems on daily basis. Close it. Let's go to number 2. Planning SQL. Number 2 now.
Planning the installation of SQL Server.
Exactly.
Yes, I'm there now.
Now, how do we install? We've installed it, but I want to show you the process of that again. Yes. Planning installation, what we did in SQL is that we have other database provider.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yes,
we have Microsoft, IBM, Microsoft collaborate with IBM. We have Skybase. We have Reg Progress SQL. Please write it after the Skybase. Type
Progress.
Yes, Postgres SQL.
Progress SQL.
POST. Small letter. Capital P alone.
Yeah. Okay, capital P alone. Postgres.
GRE. SQL. Capital S. Now SQL is capital letter. Together, there's together. No.
Okay.
Yeah, just no S. Progress SQL. Remove the S. The capital S now. Remove that S also.
Okay.
Capital S.
You should capital. Okay.
The full meaning of SQL, please write it, is what? Structural query language.
Structural query. Sir, please let me write it in my notes. Hold on, sir.
Okay.
SQL, structural query language.
Yes, yes. So my practice share.
Structural query language. Yes, I'm ready, sir.
Okay, that's a meaning of SQL. Also, my SQL presenter. Another one about SQL. My SQL presenter.
Okay.
My SQL.
My SQL.
Yes. Easy root. Then make this one root. Have you configured to make the ground root? That's the mode. Spanning tree root. You say mean the primary. You're going to come here and say spanning tree root primary here. And this one is your secondary. Is that okay? And that's your primary is your secondary, but this one is your root primary. That's the primary. You want to switch it now. Instead of this one primary, you want to be on the big primary. Do you understand? Eh? Which one is your primary presently? You now want to make this one primary. Then you have to go and configure root primary. So look where that command is. So up.
No, we're doing this one. Because this one I'll do this.
Which one?
No, we're doing this one.
It was the root. Now because it's not the root now. You make it primary. Instead of that secondary, you put primary there. It's the primary. Secondary is the backup. Am I right? This primary goes down. That's why you this sentence you mentioned where you want flying through belong one root primary. This will now become a root bridge. Okay, Remy, sorry, please.
No problem, sir.
Now that is a Progress SQL. We have other SQL database, but whatever standard you learn from here, it's applicable with all of them. They follow the same standard. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
The only thing is that they are from different vendor. Are you with me?
Okay.
MySQL, type
Yes,
MySQL together, please. SQL
okay,
is
together.
Yes. MySQL is together. SQL is always capital letter because it's an abbreviation.
Okay. SQL.
Yes, that's
yes, sir.
Exactly. Now, is an open source SQL. Are you with me? But the only thing about Microsoft SQL Server is that it's robust. It is robust. Record, yes. It can take millions of records.
Okay.
You know, when you are developing website, we normally use database in websites for MySQL.
Yes.
What with MySQL is that MySQL has a limited capacity because the web does not really have high capacity clients that go to web on a daily basis. But when it comes to bank, multinational company, their customer is huge, the record is much. Yes. SQL cannot carry that. That's why SQL Server is an enterprise database application.
So there's a difference between SQL and SQL Server.
Yeah, SQL is an application. Server that you deploy the SQL into is called SQL Server.
Okay, sir, please hold on. I'll write this down.
Okay.
You said the SQL Server is what?
SQL Server is what a device that you deploy SQL into. Okay. SQL is an application. It's a database application itself. Available for them to access from multiple users. Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Available
to access by multiple users, millions of users over the network.
Yes, sir.
Is that okay? Now that's
yes,
why
sir.
if you look at your laptop is a client because you are the only one using it.
Yes.
Now, any system that many people have access to use, that system has become a server. Even when you go to office, they say, we have a server. Because that server contains information in which all of them need to have access to. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's how different between client and server. Now, when it comes to SQL, SQL is what? It's a solid database engine and very fast. SQL is a database what with a compression, replication, and what? CC, word shipping, reporting,
ETL agent.
intelligence, analysis, integration with Office and what? SharePoint. You can compress the backup. You can back up a database. You can encrypt your database. With my SQL encrypt, you secure it. SQL is an enterprise-ready database. Can you say we have what? Hundreds of terabytes. Is that okay?
Yes.
Look at for instance.
So SQL server is the one that holds the data in the SQL. It's the server that holds it.
Exactly. It's stored in the server. Meaning, look at it for instance now. If you go to bank, you ask them to give you account details of your payment and withdrawal for the past 2 years. They will give you. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
If they give you, it might be up to like 20 pages. And just imagine every customer information like that, like millions of customers is kept in the database. How big the database will be?
Very big.
That's why they need an enterprise database server, which is SQL does that. Is that okay? We also have Oracle SQL. Please write Oracle SQL server, Oracle database. We have
Oracle
database, yes.
Where should I write that?
After my SQL.
Okay.
Database.
I should write
Oracle database.
Oracle database.
Oracle database. Another database we have.
Oracle
database.
Together, sir.
Space.
Oracle database.
Yes, Oracle database is already a database on its own, but the only thing is that it's not, in our environment, my Windows applications are more common.
Yes.
But when it comes to Oracle, Oracle is a Linux base. Hello?
Yes.
Oracle is a Linux base, which makes it very difficult to actually work. You need to do a robust configuration because it works with a Windows environment. That's why this mode of application used by banks are Windows based. Then using SQL will be the best for them.
Okay.
That's why Oracle database is not that much in the market.
Yeah, because it's based on Linux.
Exactly. And compatibility issue, Windows compatibility issue is a major concern.
Okay.
Now, the SQL is divided into 4 versions. We have the enterprise version.
We have the standard.
We have the standard version. We have express version and developer version. For SQL is about 2017. Slow down.
Okay, sir.
The enterprise version is access a mission critical capability to achieve.
Sorry, sir, before you continue.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir, before you continue, why is SPL Server 2017 the best?
It's because of the robust nature of it. Although 2019 is out, is that okay? 2019
yes, sir.
is better than 2017. Is that okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
That's 2019 is better. But 2016, 17 is better than 2016. That's why.
Okay, okay.
Now is the enterprise version is for enterprise business.
Mm.
In enterprise business is a mission critical capability. When you say mission critical, I need my information now. Give me now.
Okay.
You query for your account details. He has to give you now. That's what we call mission critical capability. To
Okay, sir.
achieve unparalleled scale. Unparalleled scale is that sometimes you can go higher, you can go lower. Are you following me?
Yes, on parallel scale.
It means that customer can bombard it at a particular time, and customer request can go low at a particular time. Let's say, for instance, now we are using more of app. Who is working most now when it comes to Nigerian environment? Which application is working most?
Bank app.
Mobile app. Which
Yes.
record is he using?
It will be the unparalleled.
Database, that is, he's using database records.
Oh.
When you use the app on your phone, you go and say you want to do transfer.
Yes.
You put your password. You go and ask the database, is this password correct for this user? And session ID, is it correct? You say yes. It will reply you and come and open the app. When you go to transfer, you will say, I want to transfer after 100,000. You will go back and add the server. You will check the database. Does it have up to 100,000? What is the balance?
Up to 100,000.
Then you come back to the application. Application will give him access because they have more than that. When the transfer is delivered, he has to connect, he has to synchronize with another bank, the bank you are sending it to.
Yes, that's to connect to their own server.
Yes, it will synchronize with that database will synchronize with another server, the database server, that take money has been given to you. That database server will also change its record. The moment you do that, the database server will remove the current charges, the money you actually collect from your balance, and keep the record of new balance and synchronize with a message server to send you an alert on your phone that you will actually deduct money, and keep the log of the activity of what you collect, when do you collect it, time and date. Now that one is one that
yes,
comes
sir.
from Word, something we normally download.
Okay.
That information that we normally download when we make payments are from database. But application display it in form of Word messages.
Message, yes.
But on database is in form of Word records.
Okay, in database in form of record.
Yes. But on the application is in form of Word message. Meaning that a record is just a message. I just need one record. That particular application can only display one record. The application cannot keep many records.
Yes, that's true.
The application cannot perform, can only perform action, doesn't keep records. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go back to Notepad. Now the standard it provides to achieve unparalleled scale, secure, high availability. When you say secure, my record must be safe.
Yes.
Nobody should go and tamper with my money or my account details. High availability. I must open my app now and it responds to me. I say my alert. That's the only thing Nigerian bank has not been able to achieve.
Yes.
High availability. all of them are actually after profit because of our government. They are only after profit instead of employing more hands to be able to deploy more end user services. They are still managing money. That is why doing this online banking process, we see a majority of them. The app are very slow because the app are not built for that kind of number of clients, number of requests they are receiving at that moment. That's why we'll be able to see the weakness in all of them. By this year, we expect all of them to upgrade.
Yes.
Go down and employ more hands in IT. The capacity is that the moment they are increasing more IT personnel, on IT skill personnel will go down. Let's say they need like 1,000. They employ 200 IT. Non-IT person will be 800. If they increase IT personnel by 100, non-IT personnel will be increased by what? 100, that will be 700. The moment all their services are going more IT inclined, then the number of staff required on non-IT client will reduce, and the IT server or IT staff will get more increase based on request. The capacity is there because everything is going in IT line, every application, every businesses are going online. They are going in IT. That's why the capacity for IT are actually getting increase on daily basis.
Yeah, getting increase. Yes.
On daily, that's why we have to, like somebody like Titacom, I'm putting more effort into my process in my company, all because this is not where I started last 5 years. You can see that capacity has increased. Am I right?
Yes.
As we go on, capacity will be going to increase because need for IT is always on increase.
It is.
Now we are moving down as what we call availability and leading performance for tier 1 database. Tier 1 database is an enterprise level database. Business intelligence, advanced analysis workload. It means that ability to be able to analyze using some set of application also to analyze the workflow. Workload is that whatever your company is doing, whatever application they are using, inflow of data, outflow of data is what we call workload. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Now, if Titacom train you now, we are doing online courses. The information we are passing across, we record it. It has become our data. As we are accumulating data from different records from students, from our learning environment, that is our workload.
Yeah.
Is that okay? Now,
yes,
the standard version, find the rich programming capability. Yes. Secure innovations and fast performance for
mid-tier applications and data mart.
Mid-tier. When you say mid-tier is like a zonal office. Is that okay? Like a branch office?
Yes.
But when it comes to head office, data center must be used. Enterprise must be used.
So like this now, sir, in most of these banks now, they have like somebody that is managing their database.
Not somebody. They are more than 1,000.
Are you serious?
Record of the whole in the entire Nigeria.
Wow. Okay.
That's why what you just need to upscale your skill. The moment you upscale your skill, you will know where the opportunity is. You will know where you are actually fit into. The moment you get yourself into it, you start growing. Your experience started counting. Like my friends that are working now. Now they started, some of them has worked like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Experience has started counting. The moment you have an experience counting you move from one position to another position.
Yes.
That's why you'll be able to move within 5 years. Most of them have become a big board.
Yes.
That's how it is. Now we talk about the standard. That standard edition. You can easily upgrade to what enterprise without having to change any code. Is that okay? You can upgrade the standard to enterprise. The Express. We normally use the Express on a client system to set an application, be it a small web and mobile application. Up to 10 gig size. With what entry-level database. Is that okay? For small businesses, for client applications, all that, they can use what Express. Slow down, please.
Okay, sir.
If I'm thirsty, let me take water.
All right, sir, no problem.
That's the use of trying to go out. We can say, "Have all the more." I don't know. You say no. You don't forget.
With Office and SharePoint.
Is it not inauguration ceremony? Is it not inauguration ceremony? I don't open up. You don't want all people.
I'll finish the assignment. Yeah, I'll start doing it. Is it your friend? Yes. Okay, just wait. I'm having online classes. Oops. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's continue. We talk about the SQL Express. The Express is used, on some application. Developer use the Express to test their web.
Yes.
It's available for free, but the enterprise is a license fee. It's not free. Also, developer build, test, and demonstrate application in non-production environment with a full future edition of SQL Server. It means that There's a developer version where developers use to test their application in non-production environment. When a developer develop an app, you need to test it with the database.
Yes.
First.
Okay.
Like those mobile app, normally the bank app, developer that develop it in their environment, in the office environment, we call it test lab. Before we bring an application,
Okay.
yes, before you do something into production for people to use, every company has what we call test lab.
Okay.
They will test
For
it,
them to check.
yes, to see that everything they've designed is perfect. And Microsoft also do it. If you look at it, before they release Windows 11, they will release for free for everybody to go and download free. They want to look at people's experience. Then when things is perfect, they will not make money on it. They will not place money on it. You understand now?
Yes, sir.
That's what we use that developer SQL to do that. The same thing applicable to slow down to 2016. 2016, the same thing. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
2016 also have enterprise,
Standard and
web, slow down. Developer, yes, that developer version as well. Express version, slow down.
install.
Now we want to now go to install. Slow down. We're going to install SQL. How do we install? What are the things? Planning in SQL installation. SQL 17 installation. You can also run SQL on a VM on a virtual machine. When we get to on cloud, we're going to do that. Run SQL in Azure VM. This is very, very interesting. You know,
Yes.
me, I like practical. I don't know. Yes,
Yes, so it's the practical aspect I like. Oh.
Yes, I like something practical. If you're telling me story, I get bored. But when you
Yes.
come to show me how we configure it, wow. I find
Yes, how we do it.
How does it work? Show me how it works.
Yes.
I see it working. If I also want to do anything, if I don't see how it works, I won't be satisfied. So I have to get to the end of it. That's my own.
Yes.
That's what they need in your place of work. Deliver.
Yes.
How will you deliver?
They don't need plenty story.
They don't want story.
Yes.
Your guy will call you, can you please, we need this thing to work. You just go there and work it. It's working now. That's what you just say. Is it working now? Hey, let me see it. I tell it's working. You say, wow, fine, good.
Okay, exactly. That's it.
That's what an average boss work. That's why most of the when I was working with the Indian, they always call me because the moment I come in there, results instantly.
Yes.
That doesn't take their time. It doesn't waste their time. There was a time the man have to close by 4 o'clock. When I left for shortly, the whole network goes down.
Yes.
It goes down. I call my assistant to come and do it. That one was actually going. He do 30 minutes. The man said everybody should close by 4:30. That he cannot do anything. What is the same in the office? Where is Taiwo? He has gone home. Oh yeah, everybody close. 30 minutes after I left, they closed. Because the fact that he couldn't do anything because the server was down.
Yes.
And nobody to bring it up. What is the ending of his saying in the office when he cannot do his job? That's why anywhere when you go to acquire a skill, deliver. Just go there and deliver. Simple as that. No storytelling, no anything.
Yes.
Is that okay? That's how it is. There was a day Chinedu boss called me from home. He just want to do something from Excel. Let me call Mr. Taiwo. And I said, okay. I said, Mr. Man, sir, please press something. He just pressed that thing and that thing just worked. Bam. And he was telling me that he has been dragging with that thing for 3 days.
Can you imagine?
He said he has been troubling it for 3 days and it doesn't work. That's what we call a result oriented. Just go there,
yes.
Pound, within 5 seconds.
Deliver.
You can do a work for 5 minutes and you are paying 5 million. I don't mind.
Yeah.
Me, I can come to the office. How much is my voucher? No amount is what you're paying me. Okay, I can go there in 5 minutes. Job is complete. You already pay my voucher. You'll be surprised because of technical skill. that when you acquire over the years,
Yes.
within some seconds, they will pay you high as you get more experience. Do you understand now? Let's go to
Yes,
the
sir.
next one. We want to see install. The next one is what? Installing SQL Server. Let's install. Let's see how we install. We already done that. We already done the installation.
Yes.
Number 3. Let's do that number 3. On Thursday, we will now continue from there.
Okay, we should do the number 3.
Let's do number 3 exactly. Installing SQL. Close number 3.
I thought you have installed it though.
Yes, the theory of it will be installed, but the theory of the installation.
Okay.
We practically deploy it.
Okay.
Then let's look at the theory part. Now,
I've opened it.
Yes, installing SQL. SQL installation requires .NET framework on the server.
The server.
Yes, most of our system, because they are Windows, they come with what? .NET already. You understand? That's why. But in some instance, if you are installing SQL and it's requesting for install .NET framework first, am I right?
Yes, sir.
It automatically download framework to the internet, or you download it yourself, then you will now install SQL on it. Is that okay? Now there's also yes, we have what we call PowerShell command line of installing SQL. Is that okay? When we get to what do you call it? Cloud, we're going to talk about that command line. That's PowerShell. In that PowerShell, we'll type get window feature, import modules, server manager. We're going to add window feature, ASP.NET framework, and we'll be able to install that feature into the world before we install the SQL server. Installing SQL server from GUI, graphical user interface. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You know we have 2 environments. Am I right?
Yes.
We have CLI, command line interface. Are you following me?
Yes, I don't understand that point, sir.
We have 2 environments in our OS environment. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Type window R on your system.
Window R.
Window and R, press them at the same time. Window logo on your keyboard and R.
Yes.
Type CMD. CMD.
On the, I should cancel that one.
Yes, yes.
I should type CMD.
Yes, that's command line interface. CMD. CMD. Enter.
Oh.
Yes. In this environment, you don't see icon. You only use command.
Yes.
But on our GUI is a Windows desktop environment. When we click folder, we click different icon. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Are you following me?
That GUI is
Graphical user interface, the one we are familiar with.
yes.
Our desktop, the icon of Google Chrome,
Yes, sir.
database, notepad, media that you are using to play, they come in form of GUI. They have graphic, they have images. We see them in form of images. All right. But in this case, it's a black environment, it's only command, instruction, type. It doesn't have image, it doesn't have
does not have anything, it's command.
It's command. That's CMD. Also, press window again. Just press window, no R again.
Window.
Yes. Type PowerShell.
PowerShell.
Just type PowerShell, exactly. Click that search. Yes.
Okay.
Type. Click that search. Type PowerShell.
I'm coming, sir.
No problem. Or just type it without click. It will come by itself. Just press the window sign, then type PowerShell.
Yes, I have. I'm typing PowerShell, but it's not coming up.
Yeah, just click that chat. Maybe your system is not responding fast.
I think the battery is actually low. When it's low like that, it's to do somehow.
Okay, or you can use the run again. Go to run, window R, type window R again.
Okay.
Press window R. Window R on your keyboard.
Just
Go
window
on
R, yes,
keyboard.
sir. Sorry. Oh.
Window and R at the same time on your keyboard.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, type PowerShell there.
PowerShell.
Yeah, PowerShell. PowerShell.
Together.
Yes, correct. Yes. Press enter.
Wow.
This is another. Can you see? This is another GUI CLI environment.
CLI. This one is CLI.
It's also CLI. Now CMD is CLI. Two of them are CLI.
Okay.
But the first CLI is a general CLI.
Yeah.
The CMD. You know, you type CMD.
Yes, the CMD and the PowerShell.
Yes. The CMD is a general CLI.
Okay.
PowerShell is a window CLI.
Okay. General. The CMD is a general.
The general in terms of any OS. Irrespective of the OS you're using. Either you are using Mac, you are using Ubuntu, you are using anyone. But when it comes to PowerShell, it's by window.
Okay, it's the window.
Yes. It's a window command environment.
Yes.
Is that okay? But all the
Yes, sir.
instruction you execute in command line can also be executed in PowerShell.
Okay.
I hope you are writing it down.
Yes, sir. All the
instruction execute in command line can also be executed in PowerShell.
Okay.
Are you following? Can I go on?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But some of the window instruction can actually be executed in what? In PowerShell, but not in command line.
Oh, the other way around.
Yes, other way around. Some of the window only command.
Window only command can just be performed by PowerShell, not CMD.
CMD cannot do all that. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go back to our notepad.
Come, sir.
As we go on, we're going to be using those environments to execute some instructions.
Okay. I'm coming, sir. Hold on, sir.
No problem.
Yes, I'm there.
Continue your assignment. Mr. Gabriel, continue your assignment now. We are two of you should be doing it together. What about you? Where do you stop? Slash what? Slash what? Where do you stop? Slash 28. Give a slash what you stop. Oh yeah, now two of you should be doing it 29 and 30 together. Oh yeah, we have a class soon by 2 o'clock. Yes. You go and finish that one. You have in the next five minutes. The next 5 minutes, you're having class. Go and sit down with him and continue the assignment. Continue your work. Now, let's round up. Let's continue. Now, installing SQL. Are you hello?
Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Installing SQL from GUI, SQL features installation. First time you install SQL is a default instance. You remember?
Yes.
Of that. What's the name of default instance? Can you tell me?
No, sir. I don't remember, sir.
Please put it in front. MS SQL.
Okay, MSSQL.
MS
That's
SQL.
the Microsoft management.
Yes. Microsoft
Yeah.
SQL Server.
Yes.
Microsoft SQL Server.
M.
G now. G1 to G1, G2 to
Server.
MS SQL. MS SQL. Q now.
MSSQL.
Bracket. Put in the bracket. That's the instance name.
Okay, sir.
Bracket. That's default instance. Now, different instance is like installing different VM on a workstation. It's like you're having different server separate. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Although you deploy them on the same server, but they are different because they are instance on their own. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Now, a complete independent entity that its network is required to connect them together. It's not because they are on the same system, you need to use IP address to connect them together before they can interact. Is that okay? And
Yes, sir.
have multiple instances to communicate. Window authentication.
What's the full meaning of it? What's the full meaning of TCP?
Transmission Control Protocol / Internet Protocol. That's when it comes to networking. Transmission Control Protocol / Internet Protocol.
Yes, sir, please hold on. Give me a minute.
No problem. You can go ahead. Transmission Control Protocol. Control Protocol / Internet Protocol.
Control Protocol / Internet Protocol. Yes, sir. You can continue, sir.
Good. That means that's network. What we did on networking is called TCP/IP. Is that okay? That's IP address is required for multiple instances to communicate. Window authentication, that's the password. Am I right? You remember window authentication?
Yes, the password. That's the your
password,
system.
your system
Yes,
password. You use to access database.
Yes.
That's window administrator account password is required. Also, we're going to enable file streaming. TSQL. Transact SQL. Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Anytime you see TSQL, it is what? Transact SQL.
Transact SQL. TSQL.
Yes. You know, every communication with what? With a database is a transaction.
Okay.
When you say, Mr. Man, give me my password. What's my password? Like when we normally do business transaction. Say, okay, how much do I have in my account? You have 1 million. Okay, give me 100,000. Okay, take 100,000. Oh, yeah, how much do you have balance? 900,000. You keep that. It's a transactional SQL. Is that okay?
Yes,
now, and file IO access. Input output. IO means input output. We normally put something to the database. We normally collect something from it. Is that not true?
Output.
We access something from the database and we give.
We put in and we output it.
Exactly. And install configuration, install and configure. We did install here at the final stage. We click install and configure. You can add a group. You have to add an individual users, distributor relay client, controller name. You can use what? Computer name or any other one. We're going to deal with that as we go on. Slow down, please. Huh?
Quite true.
Let's slow down.
I should keep scrolling down.
Slow down, yes. This is hold on. When you open the CD of the SQL, you know that database setup I copy for you. We
Yes, sir.
open it and click on setup. Is that not true?
Yes, sir.
You right click it and run as administrator. Why do you
Yes,
do
sir.
that? So that you can have administrator privilege. It can give you the right to the
Yes.
entire content of the system. You right click on the setup, you run as admin. You know, it normally asks you a question, yes or no.
Yes.
It was that you want to give it administrator permission, you say yes.
Yes, yes.
Now, it means that if you continue the installation, you go to advanced, install based on file, and we now install on a particular server. That's what we did. Slow down. Yes, also, we can upgrade database. You can upgrade from standard edition to enterprise, or enterprise data developer edition to what?
Upgrade from previous edition.
But you can't go from enterprise down. You can only go up, you can't come down when it comes to what?
Okay.
Database. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How do you upgrade? When you put the setup that we install is from a DVD of SQL. We are the one that copy into a folder. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
When you run SQL, you go to maintenance. Maintenance edition. You see upgrade there. You can upgrade from 2017 to 2019. You will not lose any database. Yes. In case, let's say a company is using SQL 2017.
So you don't upgrade, you just upgrade from the
Maybe 2019 now comes out. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You get the setup of 2019. You go to your system where your database server, you double click on the setup of 2019. You go to maintenance option, you see upgrade there. Is that okay? You go, I'm going to show you.
Yes, sir.
You can launch that setup. Let's quickly see it.
Which one? The one we installed?
Yes. Let's just launch. Go to the setup of when we install. No, the setup.
Oh, okay.
The setup, just the installation setup. Minimize that. Go back. Then yes. The setup. No, you have the same folder. Go back to that folder.
Is it okay? It's inside that same folder.
Yeah, exactly.
This is it now.
Oh yeah, run the setup. Double click the setup. Right click on it and run as administrator.
Oh, okay. I'm already running it too.
Yeah, it's the same thing. You know, you ask you a question. Do you want to run as administrator? You say yes.
Okay.
It's coming up.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please wait while the SQL Server 2016 setup the current content. Yes. You know, when it comes to database, when you are upgrading, they come with additional feature, but it's the same thing you are using. Like you are using Windows 10 and you are upgrading to 11.
Yes, sir.
In Windows 11, you just add additional feature. Somebody that can use Windows 10 can use Windows 11.
7 years. So it's up now, sir.
We are go to maintenance. Instead of installation, you know, you are not installing again.
Yes, because already installed. Okay, yes. This is it. Edition upgrade.
Yes, you click on it. If you have a new edition you want to upgrade, you can see you launch a wizard to change your edition, like changing from if you want to upgrade
developer to enterprise.
Exactly. Yes. You can also search for updates. The last option there, you can search for updates. Or you can repair it. Can you see repair there? In case in case there has a problem, you can repair it. The present edition we are using is what? Enterprise.
Yes, sir.
Is that okay? Close it. Assuming you put, you know, in 2016 we have. If you put another update, that's what you're going to do. Is that okay?
Yes. So there won't be need for you looking for a way to upgrade it. It's already on the setup system.
Yes, on the setup of the new version.
Version of the database.
Like if you want to update 2019, it's a 2019 setup you're going to run. Am I right?
Yeah, so that one will mean that none of the database that you have will wipe out. It will still be the same. You are just upgrading
Exactly.
it.
Everything will still be the same. Everything configuration will still be there. It won't wipe out. Just to upgrade. Latest one. That's all.
I get it.
Okay, close it. That's any other question? As we want to end up today's class. You can close it.
Yes,
Yes. Cancel, yes. Any other question?
No, sir.
Just close your. Okay, let's continue.
All right, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, see you. That will be on Thursday in our class, Abby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See you on Thursday by 12.
All right, sir. Take care, sir.